Basking in the golden light of the late afternoon sun, the red-tailed hawk sits in quiet majesty. Native to North America, this raptor is a symbol of power and grace, its copper-red tail glowing like fire against the fading sky. With unflinching focus, the hawk surveys its domain. From high atop a pine or telephone pole, it watches the world below, attuned to the smallest movements. A rabbit twitching, a mouse stirring. Few creatures escape its gaze. Even in stillness, there's tension muscles coiled like springs. The hawk's feathers ripple slightly in the breeze, revealing the subtle patterns that camouflage it in the wild. This is a predator built for patience and precision. Up close, the detail is extraordinary. Each feather is sculpted for silent flight. Its piercing eyes glow amber, framed by a heavy brow that gives it an expression of eternal vigilance. A predator's stare intelligent, unyielding, but it is the talons that deliver the final blow. Curved, knife-sharp, and immensely powerful, they can exert over 200 pounds per square inch. With one swift strike, they pierce flesh, immobilize prey, and secure the hawk's next meal. The hawk's eyes see what we cannot 8 times sharper than human vision, able to spot a vole from hundreds of feet above. Its hooked beak is not just for tearing, but for precision, slicing muscle and tendon with surgical finesse. In every glance and every movement, the red-tailed hawk is the embodiment of aerial mastery.